Give this pumpkin puri a try when you want to prepare something healthy and quick. This is a savory puri which can be had just with ghee, and I prepared aloo bhaji along with it and tasted well. I'm taking pumpkin, I'm removing the skin and boiling it or cooking it 1 or 2 whistles, and once it is cooked soft, I will make a mash or a puree out of it with no water at all. And on the other hand, I'm preparing dough with wheat, little rava, chili powder, coriander powder, salt, cumin crushed, and carom seeds. Now I am adding pumpkin puree. Ensure that you don't add all of it at once, because this will turn out the dough very soft. Just adjust it as per requirement. No need to add water while making this dough. Once the dough is ready, we can prepare normal puris and deep fry it. And here you can see pumpkin puri is ready. My kids loved it absolutely. He even liked the bhaji that I prepared along with this. Let me know if you want the bhaji recipe. And this was my kids' snack box for the day. Pumpkin puri is amazing. Try. Let me know how you liked it.